Assalamu alaikum children. I hope you're fine. I'm well too, alhamdulillah. So here we are with another class of English literature. Today's topic would be Chill, one of the poems selected from the textbook ORC. I'm your teacher, Mohammed Yusuf Al-Mugir. Let's continue with some of the exercises from this poem, Chill. Boys and girls, you might remember that on the last class, on Friday, on Saturday, we worked on the question answers and we recited the poem quite beautifully, and you did it very well without saying mashallah. The recitation was very good. So now we'll continue on exercise B. We have done exercise A with the questions. Let's move on to exercise B. It's called reference to context. It means that a line from a stanza from this poem will be given. A line will be given. You'll have to understand that line, what it means, who said that line to who, where was it taken from, or what's the meaning of that line, etc. You should be able to explain the line in a beautiful way, and you should know where that line has come from. This is called reference to context. So let's try the reference to context given here in the book in page 41. Here it says that read the lines from the poem, then answer the questions. The line is, what can nestlings do? That's the line. The only line. Let's write it down. A dot, dot, dot has been given. That means it's just a piece of the line, not the entire stanza or the entire sentence. We know where this line has been taken from. So, what can nestlings do? The first question is, what are nestlings? Do we know what are nestlings? Very good. Let's try. The answer A, like in the book it's been given 1, 2 and 3, we should follow the numbers as well. So let's follow the numbers. What can nestlings do? What are nestlings? Nestlings are baby birds. Okay, who can't fly yet. Baby birds who can't fly yet. We even know the meaning of that word from the word meaning, so you can find there and you can copy that as well. Nestlings are baby birds who cannot fly yet, who can't fly yet. Let's check out the second one, which says, in the poem, a similar word is used. What does that word mean? In the poem, a similar word is used. What does that word mean? Okay, a word. What can nestlings do? Instead of that, there are some other words being used. Let us check the poetry. What can nestlings do in the nightly dew? Sleep beneath their mother's wing till day breaks anew. A similar word is being used. If this is a baby bird, then what kind of other similar thing has been talked about in the poem? Do you know? That's right, that's right. Baby lambs or baby sheep have also been talked about. So we can also take the word lambkins. Like nestlings, there's another word lambkins, which means small or baby animals. So we can just simply write down the other similar word used is lambkins. They also asked for the meaning. What does that word mean? So we'll have to explain that. Let's put a full stop here. Lambkins mean baby lamb, or you can write young sheep. You can also write young lamb, anything that you want. Okay, any of the combinations. Here they said tiny lambs or baby sheep. I wrote down baby lamb. You could choose any of the combinations. All are correct. We have one last question to go on this, which says, what can nestlings do? What are they capable of? What can nestlings do? Here, we're just explaining the line, the main context of the line being explained. What can they actually do? Let's see the point. It says here, what can nestlings do in the nightly dew? Sleep beneath their mother's wing till day breaks anew. That's the answer for us. Let's write down. The nestlings can sleep beneath their mother's wing until morning. Day breaks anew. That means a new day, a new dawn would come in. Instead of daybreak or dawn, you could use the simpler and easier word, morning. The nestlings can sleep beneath their mother's wing until morning. Simple as that. See, children, it was quite easy. We have finished exercise B as well. We will try a little bit of C. Exercise C number 1, which talks about gender, male and female of different animals. I'm going to help you out with one or two, a few, but you'll have to try the rest by yourselves. Let's try this. The board is rubbed, and there you go. It says, which is male, which is female? Make 2 lists and check your answers in a dictionary if you can. So they told us to make a list. We can make a list like this. Working with exercise C number 1. You may make a table like this, and you can add up to, in this case, male, and in this case, female. And now all we have to do is put down these words, lots of words in here, put down these words according to the gender. I can help you with a few. Like the first one, iwi. We know iwi is the female version of a lamb or a sheep. So we will put down iwi here. There you go. The second, we can see ram going sideways. Ram is a male. So we put down ram here. You need more help? Stag. What's a stag? A stag is a male deer. You can find that out from the dictionary. So you can put down male, stag. Now I'm not going to do any more. Okay? I want you to work with the help of a dictionary. Find all these words. Doe, nanny goat, buck, hen, lioness, tomcat, sow, bull, cock. Then you have rooster, mare, hog, cow, and billy goat. All these words. All you have to do is work out with the dictionary, find the meanings of these words, and you will find out whether they're male or female. So you will have to finish the list. You'll get a few more help from the email, but yes, the entire exercise will not be done for you. You'll have to try, alright? So there you go. This is your job to learn the question and answers of exercise A we have done in class. And here goes the reference to context that we have done on board just a few minutes before, and this exercise. These 3 must be done in the homework copy. So your diary would be, do exercise B and C1. We're working on C1 in homework copy, and study them. Alright, you must study them as well. Exercise A, B, and C, study them all. And we have given the requirements and the syllabus for the class test coming next week after this Friday. Make sure that you learn those too and be ready for the test. So that would be all for today. Thank you so much. I hope you have understood the class very well, and we'll see you next week, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.